Spires Lake, northwestern Ontario, boreal forest. Apparently it's the furthest lake that has muskie in it, this far north. Walleye fishing's pretty good, typical eater size. So we're gonna head in for the night and hopefully catch some food and maybe a muskie or two. Fish of 1,000 casts.
Spend my days in a lazy boy in a mansion on a hill, or catch a fast train straight to New Orleans, or a slow ship down to Cozumel. I could waste away my spare time watching football with my friends, but I'd rather get my rod and reel and go fishing when I can. I wanna go fishing 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing.
Keep coming.
Try and cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing.
Sweet.
I don't want to watch the clock. I wanna go fishing. I don't ever want to stop.
This is fishing on Spires Lake. You cast, you retrieve. And you catch a fish.
And a nice eater size here. Hold it up, Jay, inside the boat. And
Perfect for the pan.
there you go, Spires Lake.
Done.
Holy dude, this thing's freaking huge. Oh!
Jay!
Yeah!
Jay, give it to me.
Oh!
Holy! Jay, get it in the fucking boat!
Okay, I got it. Oh!
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Holy shit.
Sit! Sit!
Widow, sit.
Kill it now!
No, I'm not killing the muskie. I'll take a photo with it.
Don't let it go, dude. Let's look at all that meat.
No, I'm not gonna eat that shit. Holy frig, man. Let's just get a photo. Is it still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll measure it.
Jay,
I told you if I left that on the freaking line, look at that. I just had this on the line, this walleye.
put your foot beside it. Put your foot beside it. Show them all the fucking size.
Holy cow.
Holy fuck, that's like 2 feet long.
Holy frig, dude. That thing's gotta be at least 40 inches. He's gonna bite through that. Look, he's gonna bite through the net. Holy cow!
Jay,
No,
Jay,
I don't want to hurt them because they're very fragile fish. Okay, hold on. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Don't bite me, please don't bite
Recording
me.
now.
Please don't bite me.
That's a Spires Lake muskie, baby. Only 32 inches, but pure.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt, but he did call it. He said, I'm going to keep this fish on my hook, and within 30 seconds, caught this bad boy.
Yeah, baby. Let's go for another one. Ready? Chuck him back.
I want to hold it.
You want to hold it? Dude, it's covered in slime. I'm gonna chuck her back.
I don't give a fuck if it's covered in slime.
What about...
There's nothing like a morning bite when the fish are eating well, or a new crankbait that's running straight over a rocky ledge or tree that fell, a new shiny boat that I can tow to every lake that I can find. So when the weekend comes and the work gets done, I got one thing on
Here we
my
are,
mind. I wanna
as we
go
prep our quarry
fishing.
for the feast of the evening.
My stress away. I wanna go fishing. Try and cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing. I don't
Terrible
wanna
lady.
watch the clock. I wanna go fishing. I don't ever wanna stop. I wanna go fishing 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing. cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing. I can't wait to leave the dock. I wanna go fishing. I don't ever wanna stop. It's what I love. It's number one on my list of things to do.
I don't remember this, dude.
Oh yeah, it's all good. See?
Oh yeah. Alright, hang on. Look at how crazy that is on the fucking net. Hang on, dude, hang on.
Do you have anything to say?
We're nuts. Spires Lake. That's horrible, Jay. That's horrible.
Good night, Willow.
You can't put that on the fucking YouTube there.
What?
That can't go on YouTube.
Why not?
That was horrible.
Why?
It was a horrible segment. We're nuts. Spires Lake.
Okay, go ahead.
Second muskie, second day. 3 inches bigger, 36 incher.
Not bad. Get her back in the water.
Jay, I got bare feet! I got bare feet!
It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry, it's not gonna bite you.
Yes, he will.
Just get her in the water.
I can't.
Okay, sit down. Widow, stay.
I got bare feet, dude.
Just sit down, trust me. You're fine.